teacher. My name is Jhaydhen Juguilon, and I live in Centris, and I am 7 years old. Now it's time to do my 4th quarter learning milestone. Here are the solar system. Here are the planets orbiting the sun between our solar system right now. These are the planets of our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, the one that we live on right now, Mars, Jupiter, the biggest planet, Saturn with a ring made out of crystals, ice, and rocks, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun. The Sun is the only star in our solar system. It is in the center of our solar system, and its gravity holds the solar system together. Everything in our solar system revolves around the Sun. Everything in our solar system revolves around it. There are things in our solar system just like planets, asteroids, comets, and tiny bits of space debris. The Sun is a hot ball of glowing gases. It keeps our planet warm enough for living things to grow. It gives us light so we can see. Our Sun is a 4.5 billion-year-old star. It's a very old star and a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium at the center of our solar system. The Sun is about 93 million miles from Earth. Without its energy, as we know it, could not exist on our home planet, Earth. Now let's go to the planet. Mercury. Mercury is a small planet in our solar system. It's a little bigger than Earth's moon. It is the closest planet to the Sun, but it's actually not the hottest. Along with Venus, Earth, and Mars, Mercury, it's one of the rocky planets. It has a solid surface. It's covered with craters just like our moon. It has a thick atmosphere. Doesn't have any moons. Mercury spins slowly compared to Earth, so one day lasts a long time. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to make one full rotation. But a year on Mercury goes fast because it's the closest planet to the Sun. It goes around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Moving on to the next planet, Venus. Similar size structure to Earth. Venus has been called Earth's twin. These are not identical twins. Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and yellowish clouds, mostly sulfuric acid that traps heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, Venus has crushing air pressure at its surface is similar to the pressure you encounter a mile below the ocean on Earth. Moving on. Earth, the planet we live on. Our home planet is the a third planet from the Sun, and the only place we know so far that's inhabited by living things. Our home planet is a rocky terrestrial planet. It has a solid and active surface with mountain valleys, canyon plains, and so much more. Earth is special because it's an ocean planet. Water covers 70% of Earth's surface. Earth's atmosphere is mostly made of nitrogen and plenty of oxygen for us to breathe. The atmosphere also protects us from incoming meteoroids, most of which break up before they can hit the surface. Earth has one moon. It is the perfect place for life as we know it. Time for the meteor. Here's an example of a meteor. It's my beam. Imagine it's an asteroid heading to this globe. Before it can reach the atmosphere of Earth, where here is all of the atmosphere, it makes it smaller, and then it cannot reach Earth anymore. Yay! We're safe. But damn it, its true meteor crashed in our planet and wiped out my poor dinos. Moving on to the next planet. It is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is a cold desert world, and it's half the size of Earth. And Mars is something called the red planet. It's red because of rusty iron in the ground. Like Earth, Mars has seasons: polar ice cap, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. It has a very thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. There are evidence of liquid salty water in the ground. Mars has two moons named Pupus and Deimos. Moving on for the fifth planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. And it's similar to a star, but not big enough to start burning. Jupiter is covered in swirling cloud stripes. It has big storms like the Great Red Spot, which have been going for hundreds of years. Jupiter is a gas giant. It does not have solid surface, but it may have a solid inner core about the size of Earth. Jupiter also has rings. They're too faint to see very well. Jupiter has more than 75 moons. Moving on to the next planet. Oh, it's Saturn, the ringed planet. That's what I'm talking about, of Jupiter. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is unique among the planets. It is not the only planet to have a ring made of chunks of ice, rock, and dust. Saturn is a massive ball made of mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 53 known moons, with an additional 29 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery. This total of 82 moons. Now let's move on to the next planet. Whoosh! Oh, it's Uranus. We're closely there. We're almost there. One planet left. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, rotates at a nearly 90-degree angle. This unique makes Uranus appear to spin on its side Uranus is an ice giant and it's very cold there. It has 27 known moons. Uranus has 13 known rings. The inner rings are narrow and dark. The outer rings are brightly colored. Uranus cannot support life as we know it. Now we're moving on to the final and last planet. Let's go. Whoosh! Neptune is dark and cold and whipped by supersonic winds. Neptune is the 8th planet and most distant planet in our solar system. More than 30 times as far from the sun as Earth. Neptune is very similar to Uranus. It's made of a thick soak of water, ammonia and methane. Over on Earth's side, its solid center, its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane gives Neptune the same blue color as Uranus. Neptune has 6 rings, but they're very hard to see. It has 14 moons. And it's the last planet of our solar system. See you in more learning videos. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And I hope you learn a lot from this video today. Bye! Jhaydhen out!